Hello students, once again welcome to BholanathAcademy. Here students we are going to see the question number 19. Compound is formed by two elements X and Y. The atom of Y form cubic closed package structure. The atom of A occupy 1 upon 3 of tetrahedral whites. Find the formula of the compound. Now here students, your compound is form of two elements X and Y. Understanding students? See students how you are going to understand these questions first. Try to understand the questions first. This is very important students. Your compound is formed by two elements X and Y. X and Y, and these X and Y students when crystallize, when you see the crystal students, it is what? Cubic closed package structure. That is FCC structure. Understanding students? Here it is what? FCC structure. Understanding students? So this is the students corners, 8 corners are there, and here this on the surface also the elements are there. Understanding students? So this is FCC. We also call as what? Cubic closed package structure. Understanding? So students, this compound has a unit cell and it consists of two elements X and Y. Now students, here the atom A occupy 1 upon 3 of tetrahedral whites. Atom X. Here students, there is a mistake. You can write what? Atom X. Here it is not, this is X. This is X occupy 1 upon 3 of tetrahedral white. Find the formula. The compound is formed by two elements X and Y. The atom Y form cubic closed structure. Now this element Y is present here everywhere students, on the cube surface area, on the corners, as well as what? On surface also. Y are present. Understanding? Only this Y is forming face center cubic structure students. Now students, so how you will find students number of atom of Y is nothing but 1 upon 8 of 8 plus half of 6 atom of Y, that is 1 plus 3, that is what? 4 atom. Understanding? So number of atom which are present FCC students will be 4. Everywhere Y are present. Now X occupy 1 upon 3 of tetrahedral white students. Now tetrahedral students, how many tetrahedral whites are present in FCC structure students? Understanding? So 8 tetrahedral whites are there. Always in FCC structure there is what? Tetrahedral whites are what? 8. So X occupy 1 upon 3 of tetrahedral white. Since students you know number of tetrahedral tetrahedral hedral wires, since you know tetrahedral wires are in FCC is always what? 8. Now students X occupy 1 upon 3. So number of atom of X will be 1 upon 3 of 8, that is 8 upon 3. Understanding students? Now what will be the formula students? Formula will be formula of the compound students will be X 8 upon 3 and Y is how much? You have 4. Understanding students? So this is the formula students. Now because we want to, this is in fractional form students, we want whole number, you have to multiply both 8 upon 3 and 4 by 3. So it will be students 8 and this will becomes what? Y will becomes 12. Now here students, this is, you have to simplify both 8 and 4, you have to divide with 4. So formula will be 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are, so this is the possible formula of this compound. Understanding students? So this way you can write the formula students, that is X2 and Y3 will be the formula. Understanding students? At last you have to write the students formula will be X2 and Y3. Understanding students? So these are very important students, very simple. This is also coming for 2 marks question in board examination students. These are very important. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.